Atkins Civil 3D video series, existing 1B, improvement category based drawings. This video illustrates A. Create road improvement based drawing, B. XREF project based drawing into road improvement based drawing, C. Set units and drawing scale, D. Review and modify parent drawing settings, and E. Create storm, water, and sewer improvement based drawings. Create the road improvement based drawing. Use the icon to open a new drawing. Use the icon to save as a drawing. Save in folder. Browse to the ABC Road Improvement Project folder. In Drive. Civil 3D Projects. John Doe. ABC Road Improvement. Drawings Design. File name. Road Improvement. .dwg. Save. All existing and construct road improvement objects will be created on the road improvement drawing. XREF the project-based drawing into the road improvement drawing. XR enter. To open the external reference palette, pick the attached drawing top left icon. Browse to the location of the project-based drawing. In Data, Civil 3D Projects, John Doe, ABC Road Improvement, Drawings Design. Pick the project-based drawing. Open. Scale, do not specify on screen, leave unchecked. Insert point, do not specify on screen, leave unchecked. OK. Associate project to the Working and Shortcuts folder. Prospector. Remove the external reference. Scroll down to the Data Shortcuts. Right-click Data Shortcuts. Associate project to current drawing. Check that the Working folder, which is John Doe, and the Shortcuts folder, which is ABC Road Improvement, are correct. OK. Save the drawing. Enter. Save. Yes to replace. The parent drawing settings for the project needs to be established. Settings tab. Right-click the drawing name, Road Improvement. Edit Drawing Settings. Units and Zone tab. The four main settings to be checked are the drawing units, which is feet, angular units, which is degrees, the scale, which is 1 inch equals 20, and the zone datum, which is USA, Arkansas. The zone datum is necessary to import GIS data from Google Earth and other references into the drawing. The settings for other tabs are as originally set in the template drawing. These may be reviewed and modified as desired. The Transformation tab is used to make modifications to the drawing coordinate system. The Object Layers tab is used to set the layer for an object when it is created. The object layer will be modified from time to time throughout the construction drawing preparation process. The Abbreviations tab is used to set the abbreviation that are used in labels. Some areas of the country use BC and EC for the beginning and ending points of curve. Other areas use TC for the tangent curve and CT for the curved tangent. The Ambient Setting tab is used to set the units, precision, and other aspects of objects that are created. Depress Apply and OK to save any changes that were made. Apply, OK. The Atkins parent drawing default label settings are as follows. Settings tab, right-click drawing name, edit label style defaults, label, text style. Atkins uses Arial style for a majority of its labels. Arial is a true type font in which the line or stroke width of a letter is proportional to its height. Layer. All of Atkins labels are created on a text layer. Behavior. Orientation reference. The majority of labels use the object for its orientation reference. Some labels use the UCS coordinate. Plan readability. Readability bias. Labels orientated vertically are read looking left through an angle of 110 degrees. Components. Text height. In order to not overpower the drawing, Atkins uses a plotted text height of 0.08 inches for a majority of its labels on construction drawings. Some agencies require a minimum label height of 0.10 inches. Color. Atkins uses by layer as a default layer color for a majority of objects. With by layer, the width and shading of plotted lines is controlled by the color of the object. Leader. Atkins uses the closed field aerial head style with a size of 0.10 inches. The default leader type is straight leader. Drag state. When a leader is dragged from its normal insertion point, the default display of the leader is as composed. These default parent label style settings may be modified as desired. However, there are many labels which have been created that use Atkins default settings. These labels will have to be individually modified in order for the label to have the desired appearance. The road improvement drawing is the current drawing. Save as sewer improvement drawing, SAV, save as. Browse to the Civil 3D John Doe ABC drawing design folder. Replace road with sewer, SEWER. Save. Save as storm improvement drawing, SAV, pick save as. Replace sewer with storm, TORM. Save. Save as water improvement drawing, SAV, save as. Replace storm with water, WATER. Delete. Save. The existing and constructed Civil 3D objects will be created in their respective improvement category drawing and will be deref into the project base drawing. Since the project base drawing is XREF into each improvement category drawing, the Civil 3D objects shown in each category improvement drawing will always be up to date. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.